Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Mack. We are starting Wonders Unit 4, Week 4 this week, and our weekly concept is insects, also called bugs. How exciting. I have a couple of friends in my room that I know are going to enjoy this week. So begin by starting to ask yourself questions like, what insects do you already know about? How are they alike? And how are they different? Let's take a look at this caterpillar here. This is a very special type of caterpillar. It's going to turn into a butterfly called a monarch. My friends might remember way back in the beginning of the year, we had a couple of these caterpillars in our room and they made chrysalis and then they came out as a monarch butterfly and we set them free. So take a look at his legs and his feet. Look at his body. How does this caterpillar get around? How is that like other bugs that you already know about? How is it different from other bugs you already know about? I have a little background builder that I wanted to show you that has some other insects and some that aren't insects too. Let's make this bigger so we can see. Here is the monarch butterfly when it is an adult. It's ready to fly away. Many butterflies have bright, colorful wings with fancy markings. Oh, look at this. It might look a little like one, but a spider is not an insect. A spider is an arachnid, which means it has 8 legs instead of 6. Do you see these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are his legs. And then these are not actually legs. They look like they're resting on this table here, but he's probably feeling it to check out his surroundings. Those are different body parts. Over here is a firefly. Now this one is an insect. Let's count his legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Part of the firefly's body lights up. Each kind of firefly flashes its light in a different pattern. That's how they communicate together. And here's another bug that I bet a lot of friends have already seen before. This is a ladybug. A ladybug is red with black spots on its body. It flies and creeps around on short legs. And how many legs does an insect have? 6, right? We can only see half of them because the other half are on the other end of this leaf. And look, he's going to eat this aphid. Ladybugs are wonderful insects to have in your garden because they eat bugs that eat your plants like aphids. Let's check out our video of the week. Let's see. Can I make this bigger? Here we go. Nice. All right, exit out of this one. And now let's go over to our vocabulary. Check out what words we are going to be using this week. All right, let's start with flutter. So flutter means to move or fly with quick movements. Here's an example. Butterflies flutter from flower to flower. Let's take a look at their little video. Oh, nice. So think about it, boys and girls. What other kinds of animals or things flutter? We see the butterflies. Wonder if you can think of anything else that flutters. Let's look at this word. Different. Different means not the same. The weather in the summer is different than it is in the winter. Can you think about maybe take a look at your shirt and a family member's shirt? How is your shirt different from your family members? The word imitate. Let's see what that word means. And they give an example. In this little video, Anna imitates the way her older sister dresses. What animals imitate something else? We've talked a little bit about how animals survive, and some of the ways they survive is by acting like something else, like how the fish in last week's unit all schooled together to imitate a big fish. That was a way of surviving. Protect. A helmet protects your head when you ride a bike. Very important. Always wear your helmet, right, boys and girls? Think about bugs. What features do bugs have that protect themselves? Well, we saw a little ladybug in the other on the other slide, and I noticed that it had a very hard shell. I wonder what that would do. It seems like that might protect it, right? How about a bumblebee? Does a bumblebee have something to protect itself if it feels threatened? Right, you don't want to be on the stinger end of a bumblebee. They won't come after you, but if you accidentally stepped on it or something, they would definitely sting you. Resemble. Resemble means to look similar to look like something. So, the fluffy white clouds resemble balls of cotton. All right, boys and girls, that is our main vocabulary. They actually did have two other words, that they wanted us to take a peek at. Beautiful. I agree with this opinion. The butterfly has beautiful wings. So beautiful is an opinion word. It's something that somebody thinks. Beautiful, very pretty, right? And then the other one was fancy. These two girls are wearing fancy hats. So fancy is like dressing up or extra special. All right, boys and girls, that was our introduction for Unit 4, Week 4 on insects, and I cannot wait to learn more about insects and bugs with you this week.